All right, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So before we proceed to the this is the main topic for today on how to download and install the Visual Studio 2015 up to 2022. So let me just ask you guys once again, does anyone has a question from, starting from week 1 up to week 6? Visas, laboratories, case studies, anything? Any clarifications or whatever constraints that you guys you have encountered? None? If none, can you guys give me a quick thumbs up just to let me know that you yourself doesn't have a question or any clarification? All right, so thank you for your responses. Most of you doesn't have a question. Okay then, so let us proceed now to the Visual Studio. So this is the one that you are going to use, all throughout the finals. So you can choose one only, okay, install one version only. So I think this is a very straightforward instructions. If you have a low-end desktop or laptop, then you can go with the lower version, 2015. Okay, if you have an average desktop or laptop, then you can go with the 2019. And let's say you have a high-end powerful desktop, then of course you can go to the latest one. So either one of those three will be fine. So even though you have the lowest version, say 2015, it's still okay. Okay, this will still work properly, without a problem in doing your lab number 7 and 8. So it's still super similar, maybe 90% similar with the 2019 and 2022. Okay. But if I would recommend, maybe just go to 2019 and above, 2019 to 2022. But if your a laptop or computer cannot really handle that version, then you can go with 2015. Okay. So just watch these videos, and then this will guide you on how to, download and install each of those versions. So there is just one thing that I would like you guys to take note. So click this readme. So during the workload installation, install on the .NET desktop development. So take note, .NET desktop development only, and then the others you can just ignore them. Okay, this is all what we need for the finals. For the 2015, you don't need to download anything. I guess it's already in there. It's already a package. But for the 2019, right here, so you guys have to check the .NET desktop development. Okay, so you can just ignore the others, Azure development, the Python development, the Node.js, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you guys won't be needing them. So you will only need this one, .NET desktop development. So similar with the 2022 version, I think it has the same interface. Yeah, but this one is black. But of course, you can choose your preferred theme. It's just that in here is black. So this is the 2022 version. So just install this one, the .NET Desktop Development, and then you can just simply ignore the others. Okay. So are we clear so far for the installation of the Visual Studio? Okay. So as early as of now, especially if you have a slow internet connection, please download this one as soon as possible. Okay, because once we have started with week 7 and 8, you must already have a Visual Studio for you to be able to do, of course, the quizzes and then your laboratory. Okay. But anyway, I will just deal with week 7 and 8 after your midterm exam. Okay. So for your midterm exam, that would be on June 21. Of course, the coverage of your midterm exam will be all the modules midterms from module 1 to Module 6. Okay, and this is a 100 points exam. So this is a combination of multiple choice and fill in the blank. Okay, let's do two only. So yeah, so far that is all that I need to say for today's meeting. If you guys don't have any questions or clarifications anymore, then that's already. You guys may go now, and yeah, let's just meet again after your midterm exam. So we will not meet on June 14 anymore. You can use this one as your free time to finish all the given activities. So yeah, that is all for today's meeting. So
Bye,
if
sir.
you have any other question, you guys may go now. Thank you and goodbye. Happy lunch to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too.
Sir.